Hindi 1A Speaking Test Review with Teacher May. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's have the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's have shapes and colors. Blue circle, blue circle. Green square, green square. Pink rectangle, pink rectangle. Yellow circle, yellow circle. Orange triangle, orange triangle. Red circle, red circle. Purple triangle, purple triangle. Yellow square, yellow square. Let's have family. Mommy, mommy. Daddy, daddy. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Baby, baby. Let's have animals. Fish, it's a fish. Fish can swim. Fish, it's a fish. Fish can swim. Butterfly, it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. Butterfly can fly. Butterfly can fly. Bird, bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Bird can fly. Bird can fly. Elephant, elephant. It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Elephant can walk. Elephant can walk. Lion, lion. It's a lion. Lion can walk. Lion can walk. Kangaroo, kangaroo. It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo can hop. Kangaroo can hop. Toys. Cars. There are two cars. There are two cars. Balls, balls. There are two balls. There are two balls. Ducks, ducks. There are three ducks. There are three ducks. Blocks, blocks. There are four blocks. There are four blocks. Monkey, monkey. There is one monkey. There is one monkey. Great job. Goodbye.